On Tuesday, June 3, 2025, Mental Health Partnerships brought together peers, families, advocates, and legislators for a powerful lobby day at the Pennsylvania State Capitol in Harrisburg. The day began with teams from MHP meeting one-on-one with lawmakers to elevate urgent priorities for the Commonwealth's behavioral health system. 1 in 4 adults and 1 in 5 children experience mental health issues today. MHP called for bold investments to meet the moment, scaling up community-based mental health services, expanding affordable housing with supportive services, and investing in the mental health workforce, especially certified peer specialists, individuals with lived experience uniquely equipped to support recovery. At the heart of the day was a press conference on the Capitol steps where MHP President and CEO Dr. Janine Lisitsky emphasized that mental health recovery happens not in institutions, but in communities. Policy and funding are vital, but the lived experiences that remind us why this work matters are foundational to understanding what is needed to enhance mental health in our communities. Dr. Lisitsky was joined by state legislators, including senators and representatives from both sides of the aisle, all voicing strong support for bipartisan solutions to Pennsylvania's behavioral health crisis. She was also joined by peers like Hannah Hawthorne, Coordinator of Adult Advocacy at MHP, and Patrick Montgomery, Training Operations Manager at the Institute at MHP.
That you are truly the person who knows the most about yourself, about your well-being, about your health, about what it means for you to be doing well. Again, we're not talking about funding services where people are able to achieve this level of fulfillment. We're talking about funding the services that are at the very bottom, that are necessary for people's well-being, for people's health, mental, physical, and their safety. And it's at the key of our recovery values that without those cornerstones, without those keystone needs, it is impossible to truly reach your potential and feel fulfillment for your own life.
Throughout the day, peers, family members, and legislators shared their own journeys of lived experience, stories of struggle, resilience, and the life-changing impact of support and connection. Their voices grounded the day's message that real recovery is possible when systems invest in people. By day's end, dozens of legislative offices had received personal visits or advocacy materials, underscoring a united call to action: fund what works where people live. MHP's 2025 Lobby Day marked not just an event, but a movement to build a future of dignity, stability, and hope for all Pennsylvanians.